I said earlier that that I felt that today would be much more challenging for the shorts, and we could see this 49 is yesterday's angel. It's intact, so I do believe the boys are going to take out the high. I think that's their goal: is squeeze and knock out and kick the shorts in the teeth a little bit. What time is it? 10 o'clock. 57.25 is yesterday's IB low. So we're double topping, looking to push the shorts back. Pace is a little bit faster than the 5, but you could see the 5 in action right here. So this is the hand of the PPT at work. Use your 2 right now. And we had said earlier that this is designed to try to get back into the pocket of the shorts. See the edge down here, the terrible edge, and once Momo starts, they've trapped some shorts in the squeeze. What time? 10:02. There's our 57.25 test. And high odd zone, anybody wants short now, this is a possibility right in here. That's why these lines are here, to stall this push. So use this 58 to 59 if you're going to short, if you're a conservative short. And all those traders who are looking down, I said morning after trend day, but stolen range. So 4, 5, 6 is done. Anybody wants this, take it now and use a stop because Momo's hot right now. And that 93 target hit. So this was the setup. It doesn't mean that we have to come flying out the top. I want to keep an eye on the NASDAQ. Nice bounce. As long as we're underneath the high here, then I'm going to consider that the market is still a dead cat bounce. I want to use this as a proxy for the market right now. Two-minute chart in play. Okay. And the 57.25, this is part of the ring line trade. Angel, 49 from yesterday. Still intact. This is how the boys play. Take one day and then go back the other way, regression trade. And this is the setup. I think today, I said earlier, I said the low for the week could already be in. We won't know until later today. Still lots of time. But if you're taking the short at the 456, remember we've got trap traders already. We will need some time to undo this. And I said, I think today you can play both ways. So timing a little bit early, but price is in the neighborhood where I would expect from the launch. And if I'm totally wrong today, then it's not you can play both ways, but just a one-way update, a mirror of yesterday. And that's always a possibility. And the setup today, in my opinion, was that we were so low down here. I said if we open up near this 49, the key will be what happens right here. And you could see it. And then once this bar comes out smoking, the squeeze is on. And that's why I like a 2-minute chart or a 3, see it a little bit sooner. There's a 1. And a lot of times we get these sharp bounces. And this is called let it come to you. First and most important idea today, in my opinion, understanding the relationship between yesterday's range and today's support level. So here's a retest. It's all we know. And when they get a solid bounce early, and then they give it right back to you here, this is the jam in your face for everybody who now likes to short the lows. So the key is that this was a contra until proven otherwise, and we still have to think that way until this low goes now. So I told you, today was not a day to give back everything you made yesterday. Just the way the boys play. And I know some of you guys wanted the lower targets, but regression trades are a thing of life. Now there was one more breakdown. Let's put this back on the 5. One more breakdown up here, right? That 59 area. So I'm considering this as our normal resistance for today. And if it gets above that, then I'm totally wrong. But I would think the market will stall by this area today. And to do that, we're going to need to come back, and it doesn't mean we have to come down here and test the low. I would think today that probably if we close the gap, we've done well. And I think that'll be harder than we all think. And this is how they design their system. People don't want to buy it, fine. I want to trap shorty and squeeze you. Half gap was there, yeah. But that's all she wrote.